You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break it down. The most common pronunciation for it is Evi. Some may pronounce it also as Evi, but generally Evi. How do you pronounce it yourself? Evi? Do you know any Evi? Are you Evi or Evi? Let us know in the comments. Name pronunciation. Let's break it down. The most common pronunciation for it is Evi. Some may pronounce it also as Evi, but generally Evi. How do you pronounce it yourself? Evi? Do you know any Evi? Are you Evi or Evi? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.